This is the tutorial video for a weight scale calibration on a 4505-1 and a 4505-2 pallet wrapper. Take any pallet off of the machine as well as any roll of film from the carriage. Turn the machine on and let it boot up. Open the electrical cabinet with the provided key. Turn off the weight scale screen with the on-off switch located behind the screen. Remove the 4 screws to remove the small cover next to the on-off switch located behind the weight scale screen. Once the cover is removed, move the dip switch located behind the small cover to the opposite direction. Power the screen back on and it will show P1 on the screen. We are now ready to start the calibration process. Press right arrow to enter P1 settings. Then press the right arrow to adjust decimal places and adjust the range to 2,000 kilograms using the up or down arrow. Now press set to save and then press the left arrow to go back to P1. Press the up arrow to turn to P2. Now press the right arrow to enter P2 settings. Now press the down arrow or up arrow to calibrate the accuracy to 0.2. Now press set to save and press the left arrow to go back to P2. Now press the up arrow to turn to P4. Then press the right arrow to enter P4 settings. Now press the down or up arrow to adjust to the value of 3. Now press set to save and press the left arrow to go back to P4. Now press the up arrow until you get to P10. Now press the right arrow to enter P10 settings. Adjust the value to 2 using the up or down arrow. And at this moment, it will show the units as kilograms. Calibration needs to be done in kilograms and not pounds. Now press set to save. And now press the left arrow to go back to P10 settings. Now press the up arrow to turn to P11. Press the right arrow to enter P11 settings. The screen will show some positive numbers. After the numbers are stable, press the right arrow. Now wait until the numbers are stable again and then press set to save. Now press up to turn to P12. Now press the right arrow to enter P12 settings. Using the up or down arrow, set the weight value to anything greater than 60 kilograms. For example, we are using a pallet of 1,002.4 kilograms. Now put the corresponding weight on the turntable. Now that you have the pallet on the turntable, press set. Now when the screen shows 0, press set once again. Now press the up arrow until it shows S13. Now press the right arrow to enter and adjust S13 settings. The screen now shows on. If it does not show on, press the down arrow until on is shown on the screen. Now press the right arrow to enter the date settings. From left to right, it corresponds to year, month, and day. Set the date by pressing down or up, so the year is 2025. Right arrow to enter the month. The month is January. Now press right arrow to enter the date. and today is the 24th. Now press the right arrow to enter the time setting. It is based on a 24-hour system, or also known as military time. So it is 4 o'clock. And 4:10. Now press the right arrow. Now it shows S13. You can now turn the weight scale screen off and move the dip switch back to the original position. You can now remove the pallet used for the calibration process. Now turn the weight scale screen back on. The screen value now shows 0.0. With units, you can change it from pounds to ounces or kilograms. Now that the calibration process is complete, you can load a pallet to check the scale. You can now press print to check the date, the time, and the weight.